Welcome to today's video where we provide an overview of cancer and its various types. Cancer is a complex disease, and understanding the basics can help us support those affected and raise awareness. So, let's dive right in. Types of cancer. Cancer occurs when cells in the body grow abnormally, lose control mechanisms, and multiply continuously. This uncontrolled growth can result in tumors, which are abnormal masses of cells. Tumors can be either cancerous, referred to as malignant, or non-cancerous, referred to as benign. When cancerous cells spread from the primary site to other parts of the body, the process is called metastasis. Cancerous tissues can be classified as blood and blood-forming cancers, referred to as leukemias and lymphomas, or solid tumors, referred to as carcinomas and sarcomas. Leukemias and lymphomas are cancers of blood, blood-forming tissues, and immune system cells. Leukemias originate in blood-forming cells and can crowd out the production of normal blood cells in the bone marrow. Lymphomas expand lymph nodes, resulting in large masses in the armpit, groin, abdomen, or chest. Carcinomas are cancers that arise in cells lining the skin, lungs, digestive tract, and internal organs. Common examples include skin, lung, colon, stomach, breast, prostate, and thyroid gland cancers. Carcinomas typically occur more frequently in older individuals. Sarcomas are cancers of mesodermal cells, which normally form muscles, blood vessels, bone, and connective tissue. Examples of sarcomas are leiomyosarcoma, cancer of smooth muscle in the digestive organ walls, and osteosarcoma, bone cancer. Sarcomas are generally more common in younger individuals. Risk factors for cancer. In this section, we'll explore various risk factors for cancer, including genetic and environmental factors. It's important to note that not everyone exposed to these risk factors will develop cancer, but understanding these factors can help with prevention and early detection. Some families have a significantly higher risk of developing certain cancers. The increased risk can be due to a single gene or multiple genes interacting together. Environmental factors common to the family may also influence this genetic interaction and contribute to the development of cancer. Extra or abnormal chromosomes can increase the risk of cancer. For example, people with the most common type of Down syndrome, who have 3 instead of the usual 2 copies of chromosome 21, have a 12 to 20 times higher risk of developing acute leukemia, but interestingly, a lower risk of developing carcinomas. Abnormalities or mutations affecting critical genes are believed to play a role in the development of cancer. These genes produce proteins that regulate growth, cell division, and other essential cell properties. Cancer-causing gene mutations may result from the damaging effects of chemicals, sunlight, medications, viruses, or other environmental agents. In some families, these abnormal cancer-causing genes are inherited. There are 2 major categories of genes involved in cancer: oncogene and tumor suppressor genes. Oncogenes, the mutated or amplified versions of regular genes, often hold the key to understanding why some people develop cancer. Normally responsible for regulating cell growth, oncogenes like HER2 and EGFR can trigger uncontrolled cell multiplication, leading to cancer. But what causes these genes to mutate? Scientists believe factors like X-rays, sunlight, toxins, and infectious agents may play a part, but the full story remains a mystery. Let's not forget tumor suppressor genes, the brave defenders that usually keep cancers at bay by repairing damaged DNA or suppressing cancerous cell growth. But when DNA damage impairs these genes' function, cancer can take hold. In some cases, inherited suppressor gene mutations are responsible for breast cancer appearing in young people and multiple family members. Age and cancer. While some cancers, like Wilms tumor, retinoblastoma, and neuroblastoma, primarily affect children, most cancers are more common in adults, particularly older individuals. In fact, over 60% of cancers generally occur in people older than 65. This increased risk may be due to a combination of prolonged exposure to carcinogens and a weakening immune system. Our environment is full of potential cancer risks, from tobacco smoke and pollutants like asbestos to ionizing radiation from medical imaging tests. Each of these factors can increase our risk of developing various cancers, making it vital to be aware of our surroundings and lifestyle choices. Did you know that your geographic location and diet can influence your cancer risk? Intriguingly, when people immigrate from Japan to the United States, their risk of colon and breast cancer increases to match the US population, possibly due to a change in diet. Diet also plays a crucial role, with certain food substances increasing cancer risk. Certain medications, medical treatments, and infections can also contribute to cancer risk. For example, oral contraceptives, hormone therapy, and cancer treatments like chemotherapy and radiation therapy have been linked to increased cancer risk. Additionally, infections like human papillomavirus, HPV, and hepatitis B or C can cause cancer in some cases. Lastly, inflammatory disorders, such as ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease, can increase the risk of cancer, highlighting the importance of addressing chronic inflammation. While having a risk factor doesn't guarantee cancer development, being aware of these factors can help us make healthier choices and stay vigilant about early detection. If you found this video engaging and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. We'd also love to hear your thoughts and questions, so please leave them in the comments below.